Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In the meantime, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are taking a close objective look at the Algo Trend EA from Algo Trading Group. We'll be walking through the official website, breaking down its documented features and reviewing the historical forward test performance data provided on Myfxbook to see how it operates. So starting right here on the website homepage, the developer provides a straightforward overview of the tool, okay? And the Algo Trend EA is built around a trend following core strategy. Regarding platform compatibility, the sales page does not explicitly state MT4 or MT5 support. So if you decide to look into it, you would want to verify compatibility directly with their support team before setting it up on your broker terminal. All right, so looking at the core specifications listed on the site, the software is designed to operate multi-pair across up to 28 currency pairs directly from a single chart setup, alongside support for trading gold, which is XAUUSD. And then for risk controls, the developer notes that stop loss and take profit parameters are visible rather than hidden, and a trailing stop feature is built in. Okay, they also provide preset set files, issue software updates every 2 months. Okay, and offer a 7-day free trial so that traders can evaluate it in a demo environment first. All right. Now, let us analyze how these features translate into trading functionality. Operating across up to 28 currency pairs from one chart is a significant convenience feature, as it simplifies setup without needing dozens of individual charts open. So having visible stop loss and take profit orders along with dynamic trailing stops is crucial from a risk management standpoint, because it ensures that every position has defined parameters on the broker's server rather than relying strictly on hidden soft targets. Okay. Now, the developer also notes the system is capable of passing prop firm challenges, which usually points toward controlled risk management, okay, and specific drawdowns, though exact parameters always depend on user configuration and specific prop firm rules. Now, moving further, we can transition into the historical performance page, which links to a verified Myfxbook live account forward test. So looking at the Myfxbook widget and the performance chart, we can examine how the account has behaved historically. The data shows a cumulative gain of 226.78% with a peak drawdown of 12.78%. In terms of periodic averages, the data reflects a daily return of 0.08% and a monthly average of 2.43%. All right, taking a closer look at the growth curve over time, we observe an initial sharp upward movement early in the test period, followed by an extended consolidation phase spanning late 2022 through 2024. All right, we can see that here, looking at this forward test here. So growth was relatively flat around the zone, right? So from 2025 into 2026, the equity curve shows renewed steady upward momentum. All right. This historical equity behavior is typical for pure trend following algorithms. They tend to experience periods of flat performance during sideways or choppy market regimes. All right. Okay, so looking at the Myfxbook page, we can see more details here. We already established the fact that gain was 226.78%, drawdown 12.78%. Okay, in this case, we can see that deposit was $100,000 and the balance 326 point sorry $326,804.43, and the withdrawals is still at zero. No withdrawals yet. Okay. So this equity, the historical equity behavior is typical for pure trend following algorithms. They tend to experience periods of flat performance during sideways or choppy market regimes, followed by growth phases when strong, sustained market trends emerge. Now, remember that it is vital to keep in mind that these metrics represent historical performance and should not be interpreted as a guarantee of future results. All right. Actual trading performance can vary based on broker execution, spreads, slippage, lot sizing, and changing market volatility. Okay, so it's very, very important to keep that in mind. All right. Now, in conclusion, the Algo Trend EA presents an interesting multi-pair trend following option with visible risk management controls and multi-year forward test history. It may appeal to traders seeking a systematic multi-asset trend strategy who value low overall drawdown and pre-configured set files. However, no expert advisor is universally suitable for every trader or market condition. So I encourage everyone to conduct their own thorough testing on demo accounts and perform proper due diligence before committing real capital. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.